Hey guys, welcome back to Wix Fix. I hope you're having a fantastic day. In today's video, I want to show you how to set up online payments within Wix. If you have an e-commerce store, a restaurant with online ordering, a subscription-based website, or even if you've set up paid bookings, you need to set up your website to accept payments. That way you can actually receive the money. So in order to do that, you need to come to your site dashboard. Next, come down to settings, go down to e-commerce and finance, and then right here, you'll see accept payments. Then it's gonna bring you to this page right here. Now you're gonna have a few different options. The first one is Wix's internal service where the users can put in their credit card or debit card information to make a payment. The second one is obviously PayPal, where if they select that option, it'll route them to PayPal to make the payment. The third one is a manual payment where you can accept cash, check, or other forms of payment. Below that is see more payment options. Here we have a ton of different options that you can use, and you can also use third-party stuff from other providers. But on this page, these are the main ones. I would definitely recommend setting this one up first. If you want to use PayPal, you can use that as well. So that gives your users two different options to pay. However, I will note that I think on August 2nd of 2021, the rates for PayPal are going up a little bit. So you should be wary of that before deciding to go with PayPal. And you definitely probably shouldn't use this as your only form of payment. With that being said, let's go ahead and go through the process for accepting credit and debit cards within Wix. Read this information, make sure that whatever your business is doing isn't having to do with any of these. If it does, you have to use a different provider. But for most people, it does not, so I'll just say no, I do not, and continue. Okay, now it is set up on my website, but there are a few requirements. So we need to complete setup. Now it's gonna give us a giant form to fill out in order to complete this. Okay, then once you fill out the form, you will be all set to go to accept payments on your website. But of course, if you want, you can also set up PayPal or any other third-party stuff as well. And of course, you need to make sure that you're on the correct plan. For me, I'm currently on the Essential plan for Editor X. But if I want to accept payments on my website, I can't be on the regular basic website plan. I need to come over to the business and e-commerce section and choose one of these options. But that basically wraps it up for the video today, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy it and found it useful. If you did, please press that like button and consider subscribing for more Wix content coming out really soon. Thank you guys again, and I'll see y'all in the next one.